Hey everyone! I have some exciting news to share with you today. Party Popper. I'm thrilled to announce a $50 giveaway to 50 lucky subscribers on my channel. But there's a catch. This will happen only when we reach 1,000 subscribers. And that's not all. I have some massive special gifts lined up for a few select subscribers, which I'll reveal once we hit the 1K milestone. Rocket. To participate and stand a chance to win, all you need to do are these 3 simple steps. 1. Subscribe to the channel. 2. Like every video. 3. Comment below why you need $50 and why it's important to you. Winners will be chosen based on engagement, so make sure to like, comment, and stay active. Good luck, and let's reach 1,000 subscribers together. Raising hands. Let's start today's topic. wcoin price prediction. What to expect after listing. The buzz around wcoin is heating up as the project hits exciting milestones in its roadmap. With an official airdrop planned for mid-September 2024 and a listing on big exchanges like Binance, Bybit, and Biget, everyone is eager to see how the token will perform. Here's a look at what we might expect for wcoin's price based on the latest news. wcoin airdrop and market buzz. The upcoming wcoin airdrop, set for just before September 15, 2024, is sure to spark a lot of interest. Airdrops are a fantastic way to attract new users and build a strong community around a project. With wcoin reaching a milestone of 20 million users, the demand for $coin tokens is expected to rise as more people become eligible for the airdrop. Typically, airdrops can cause some ups and downs in token prices. Right after the airdrop, some people might sell their tokens for quick cash, which can lead to a small price drop. But this might create a good opportunity for new investors to buy wcoin at a lower price. wcoin listing expectations. The listing on September 15, 2024, is anticipated to be a game changer for wcoin. Getting listed on major exchanges like Binance, Bybit, and Biget means the token will reach a wider audience, gain more liquidity, and become easier to trade globally. Price prediction for wcoin. Like many new crypto listings, we could see a sharp increase in wcoin's price right after it goes live. If demand from both new and existing investors is strong, analysts believe the price could start around $0.005 and possibly rise to 1 cent within the first week, depending on the market conditions. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to these key dates. The excitement surrounding wcoin is building as the project achieves important milestones in its roadmap. With an official airdrop scheduled for mid-September 2024 and a listing on major exchanges like Binance, Bybit, and Biget, investors are eager to see how the token will perform. Let's dive into what we can expect for wcoin's price based on the latest news and market trends. wcoin airdrop and market buzz. The upcoming wcoin airdrop, set to take place before September 15, 2024, is sure to create significant interest. Airdrops are an effective way to attract new users, build a strong community, and generate excitement around a project. With wcoin celebrating a milestone of 20 million users, the demand for $coin tokens is expected to surge as more participants become eligible for the airdrop. Airdrops often cause short-term price fluctuations. After the airdrop, some users might sell their tokens for quick profits, leading to a temporary dip in price. However, this can also present an opportunity for new investors looking to buy wcoin at a lower price point. Historically, many tokens see a rebound in value as demand increases post-airdrop. wcoin listing expectations. The official listing on September 15, 2024, is anticipated to be a turning point for wcoin. Getting listed on well-known exchanges like Binance, Bybit, and Biget will provide the token with greater visibility, enhanced liquidity, and easier access for traders around the world. This kind of exposure can attract more investors, both seasoned and new, who may have been waiting for wcoin to be available on reputable platforms. Moreover, being listed on these Tier 1 exchanges typically means the token will be subjected to rigorous scrutiny and validation, which can bolster investor confidence. As wcoin joins the ranks of established cryptocurrencies, It may also benefit from increased media attention and market speculation.